So we're at the Wisconsin River. We're just waiting for people to put in their boat. Might as well put on some sunscreen. And we're gonna fish for bass and muskie or pike. You have quite the boat decoration.
What's that?
You have quite the boat decoration.
We like our beards.
Yeah. That's cool though. Today it's probably better just to sit in the water and drink some beer than it is to fish anyway.
That's probably what we're doing. So.
We got a new bait on the Lubaka flukes. Another species in the Lubaka baits challenge. Nice little small bronze back. Nice. Sorry if I'm close to you. I'm just crossing to right here. Holy fuck, there's a ton of bait. Yeah. How do you know? Yeah? One bass. Shoot, there I just missed something. Largie. This is a keeper. The square bill from the old basser caught this bass, probably like a 14, 15 incher. We'll just let it go, it's hot out. That's a better size smell. I would take a picture of it. Nice smallie. Nice smallie. What? Nice one. Pretty good sized one. So this bass I caught on a white Zoom swimming fluke, which I got from in the giveaway from the old basser, which I was just decided to try out after I was catching some on the fluke because I thought they might like a white color better. And the swimming fluke's just kind of like a swim bait, not like a darting to side like a fluke. And I was catching these bass out of anywhere from 5 feet of water and shallower, and they're holding to rock and eddy structure and current breaks. And I got 2 on a green, that chartreuse lake hopping custom bait fluke, like bait, and I got 1 on the KVD square bill that I won in the giveaway from the old basser. So I found some bass. I only bass fished a little bit this day. I had 1 hit muskie fishing on a phantom softtail. That was it. So the muskie action was slow, and of the like half hour I actually tried bass fishing, or an hour, I caught 4 of them. So they were biting. We got a sheepshead. That'll be a tasty one. We're heading in now. We caught 4 bass and a sheephead. That'll be it for the day.